out like a little too much, so it was a little jerky.
That's
just,
okay.
like, practice right now.
Well, you're not the one with the GoPro on, so no one will know.
Alright, we'll start going.
Speed bump. There's actually a car coming.
Speed bump.
I avoided it. I'm on your right. Can you see me in your mirror?
What? How's this family just like standing in the middle of the parking lot here? Yeah, hit the Tesla.
Okay, I did that.
Alright.
Wait, maybe I can overtake you. No, I'm not gonna try, but like, it'd be, if I could lead.
No, let's have insurance. Wait, no, you do. You have insurance.
You don't have insurance?
Alright, you're overtaking. I'll follow you.
Get wrecked.
Imagine if you had to manually turn on your brake lights.
Be sure to hit the Nissan Leaf.
Yeah, I'll make sure. I got that.
Traction's off. Okay.
Did you turning it off?
Of course. Oh God, sorry about that. You know, you might want to